In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your H&M gift card balance. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other you prefer. The choice is yours, as long as you're comfortable navigating it. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar and type in H&M. H&M is a popular retailer known for its fashion-forward clothing and affordable prices. This step is essential because it directs you to the right place to manage your gift card. After typing H&M, you'll see a list of search results. Now it's important to select the correct link. Look for the official H&M website. You can usually spot it by looking for hm.com in the URL. This ensures you're on the right site, avoiding any fake pages that might compromise your information. Once you've clicked on the official link, you'll be on the H&M homepage where you can find all the different sections and offers they have. Next up, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. At the bottom, you'll find various links and options. Here, you should look for the gift card option. Clicking on this will take you to the section dedicated to gift cards. This little step is crucial because it leads you directly to where you can manage and check your gift card balance. With that ready, you'll need to find and click on Check Your Balance. This link is usually located on the gift card page. It might be highlighted or in a different color to make it stand out. Clicking this link is necessary because it takes you to the specific tool that allows you to enter your gift card details. At this point, you will see fields asking for your card number and PIN. Go ahead and click on these fields to activate them. Enter your gift card number in the first field, and then enter the PIN in the second field. These numbers are typically found on the back of your gift card. Remember, entering these details correctly is important because they authenticate your card and allow you to access your balance information. After you've entered your card number and PIN, the last step is to click the Check Balance button. This initiates the process of retrieving your gift card balance from H&M's system. Once you've clicked it, you'll see your current balance displayed on the screen. This makes sure your current balance is right there for you to see. It's a simple yet effective way to keep track of how much you have left to spend. And that's it! You've successfully checked your H&M gift card balance. By following these steps, you can easily stay on top of your gift card's value, ensuring you get to make the most out of your shopping experience. Being aware of your balance helps you plan your purchases better and avoid any surprises at the checkout. Remember, you can repeat these steps anytime you want to check your balance again. It's always good to be informed about your spending capabilities. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping with your H&M gift card.